I think I need to do a training on moving average, fair value gap, change of character, break of structure. All those things are advanced training. And because if you know all these indicators, it really help you a lot. But me, I don't use moving average. I don't use fair value gap. I don't use change of character. These are uh, these are structures, strategies, indicators that you need to follow that will avoid, that will make you not to have issue of emotion when it comes to trading. But somebody told me privately before that this polygamy that I have been teaching all this while, he said he has not still yet understood it. That's why I don't want to be teaching complex things. So for you to avoid emotion in your trading, you need to have rule. You need to have structures. You need to have indicators you are following and understand how they work to avoid you to be emotional about your trade. Let's continue.
Bearish momentum, that's 2. And then let's say you're using doji candles as a part of your strategy. Then you get a doji, bearish engulfing, and you're like, cool, I'm in on a trade. That is 3 confluences that you use to enter your trade. That's what having a rules-based trading strategy is. You have to have these 3 things minimum to hit in order for you to enter a trade. You do not get in on a trade because the price is going. That's wrong. Never place a trade, literally, just get a piece of paper, write down your rules. You do not enter a trade until these 3 things or 4 things or 5 things are met. When you're looking at the charts and you're seeing something, don't click the buy or sell button, check your list. Make sure you've hit every single one of those. Then you'll know it's not emotional, it's strategic. Then you get in on a.
Making a very good point. A professional trader have what we call, I think some of what I requested for the candlestick Bible PDF. In that PDF, I learned, although I've always known about this thing, they just give that name. You don't use one confirmation in a trade, whether on a daily chart, on a 4-hour chart, on a 1-hour chart, to pick your trade. You need to have 3 to 4 confirmations, and they must all agree. All of them are not agree. I have my favorite indicators. So when those indicators are speaking the same language and they are confirming each other, then at least 3, 2 to 3 or 4 must agree for me to. Those are entry points. Those confirmations will give you your strategy that yes, since this 3 confirmation has been met in this trade, then I can confidently go and enter. That's why you see me when I train us that when you are looking for coins to trade, go to the most downward coin, the most negative coin. Then you will see me that even some of the top 5, 6, 7 coins, despite the fact that they are red in color, down, might not meet your your confirmations. The moment you open the chart, immediately, if you have been studying charts, you know that no, this is not is a no. So all those things are what we help. That's why I don't have any emotion in my trading. I don't use emotion to trade. You need to have rules, strategies that you must follow and stick to. So that's what we're talking about.
Trade. So, rule number 1 is rules-based trading. You have to trade on rules. Science, bro. Rule number 2, do not trade on emotion. Like I mentioned before, when you get emotional, that's the gambling mentality. That's market manipulation at its finest. Basically, teasing you with something, you fall for it, and you're stuck in a trap. It happens time and time again, and it's why 95% of traders lose. So, rule number 2, do not trade on emotion.
Do not trade on emotion. Do you know some people, he was talking about, if you are trading on emotions, you are gambling. I'm just laying down from this guy now. If you're using your emotion, this is about to go up, let me quickly enter. You're a gambler. You're not a trader. You know, I have always seen that it freeze. Anyway, I'm upload this thing to YouTube and let him hear about it. There was one time that the freeze posted a post on his page that trading is gambling, and I was checking all the comment section. So people are supporting, yes, trading is gambling, this and that. Is Ponzi scheme, is scam. Is it because I think one of his family friends invested in a coin, in an asset in crypto, and the sister went all in. Maybe the sister FOMOed. Maybe they have shield. Oh, you might not know the meaning of shilling. Shilling in crypto is they must have promoted the coin, and that this coin is going to do well. And I want to go and put a lot of money into the coin, and the coin crashed, and his money was trapped. That is gambling. Gambling. If you want to trade, whether you want to buy coin for trading or you want to buy coin for long time, to invest for long time, you need to do your due diligence. You need to do DYOR, do your own research very well, and follow the rule of investment and trading. So when you enter a coin, this coin is about to go up, this coin is about to go down, I want to short, this coin is about to go up, I want to quickly buy before the moving train leaves me. You're a gambler, you're not a trader.
Now, rule number 3 is an extremely long topic. I've made a separate video on that. It is risk management right here. Proper risk management when day trading is the most crucial thing ever, because if your rules-based trading strategy is set to where you're risking 1 to 4, meaning that if you're risking 1 to 2% per trade and your reward for that is anywhere from 4 to 8%, that means if you win one trade, you can afford to lose the next 4 and still be break even. Proper risk management is paramount when day trading, and it helps your psychology because it's no longer emotional trading. It is systematic. It is rules. There are techniques that you must follow in order for you to do a trade. Think of your day trading as now being a program. Your trading brain now will not execute a trade unless these parameters are met. Programming is the same thing. They're all if and then statements. So rule number 3 is proper risk management. Never ever click that buy or sell button without having a specified take profit and a specified stop loss in place. Rule number 4 is do not overtrade. The tendency for most people, especially if they're like me and they can sit in front of a computer and watch the charts all day, is to get in on this pair, this indice, this crypto, and it's like 57 trades running at the same time, and it's breaking apart your focus. You're looking at too many different things at the same time, and that's where mistakes come into play. I've done it several times where I'm looking at USD CAD, doing my analysis on that, then I pull up my phone on MetaTrader 4, I type in, whatever, and I place a trade, and I realize that I just placed a trade on GBP JPY when I'm doing all my analysis on USD CAD. Do not overtrade, do not look.
That's very important. A lot of new beginners, that's why some people will chat me privately that because they believe that entering many trades, many coins at a time will give them more profit. You are going to get stocked if you do that. You are going to get stocked if you are entering too many coins at the same time. Even most of the profit that you can make so much profit on one coin or two coins. I know one guy in the community that was going against this. I can't be trading 1, 2, 3 coins. One can be doing well, another one cannot be doing well. You should place trading too many, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 coin. It is suicide mission. You can hear professional trader talking here that don't overtrade. Overtrading or trading many coins does not guarantee a lot of profit. It's not going to make you rich as you expect. Focus on one coin. One coin can give all the profit that you want. Let it go down, buy. When it go up, sell. When it go down again, go and buy. One coin can give you your profit. Me, I have my favorite coins. Even if they misbehave, I will leave them. So to avoid emotion in trading, because when you are having too many trades you have opened, you will be emotionally destabilized, because it's too many coins. It will affect your emotion. So avoid over trading.
At too many indices, too many Forex pairs. Focus on 2 or 3. Too many pairs, too many indicators, too many lines on your charts. Simplify it. It's not complicated. So, rule number 4, keep it simple. And the most important rule of all, rule number 5, do not revenge trade. What's revenge trading? Say you just lost $2,000 on a trade and you're like boiling inside, just furious. And so you're looking for the next move and like trying to get your money back because it's my money and the market just stole it from me. And you start getting angry and you're completely throwing away your rules-based system. You are over trading like a crazy person, trying to get that money back as quickly as possible. And what happens when you trade with emotions? You lose time and time again because the markets are looking for people like you getting emotional, falling for trap after trap after trap. And instead of just losing a couple $1,000s on a trade, you end up losing $10, $15, or $20,000 throughout the day because you're angry and you're revenge trading. So rule number 5 is do not revenge trade. If you are in a bad mood, if you've had an argument with your spouse, stuck in traffic, super anxious, do not trade. If you are angry, turn off your phone, turn off your laptop, get away from the charts, do not trade. It is the worst thing you could possibly do ever. Doing these things, practicing on a demo account, really having a strategy that is rules-based, it completely alleviates all of the emotion from trading. I used to be such an emotional trader where I would get in a trade and I'd start sweating and like, oh my God, is this gonna go? Now, when I place a trade, I look and I have my system and I get in a trade, I set my take profit and stop loss, and then I walk away. I'll go have a coffee, read a book. Like, I have no emotion behind it because my strategy has proven to be successful over time. So I just do the trade and I'm calm all the time. I don't worry, I don't stress about my trades. And it's really, really, really refreshing compared to how I used to trade covered in sweat. So just relax, man. Keep it simple, have rules, watch all of my videos if you want to learn specific strategies on how to day trade. I mean, some people like to scalp, some people like to hold positions for a few days. My videos have a plethora of all of that information. So go through my videos, set up a demo account, start trading casually. It's no risk with a demo account. So that'll calm you down immediately.
Okay, at least we have learned one thing or the other today. So I think let me answer some questions here. Is it only on automated trading that one can trade more than 2 coins? No, no, no. No, you can enter. Okay, on the automation trading, please, if you want to do automation trading, if you have small capital, please stay on one coin, please. Stay on one coin. If you are between maybe 100, 200, 300, if you have 400, okay, can do like 2 coins 400. You will just use the setting of 100 for 2 coins for 400 capital. Go and use that settings on that PDF automation trade setting. Then your first buy amount was very, very small, like $10, $10 for the first buying amount for 2 coins. So if one does not trigger, that one will trigger. But everything still boils down to the fact that the more you are using small capital to trade, you will not enjoy trading. I'm telling you, you'll be getting sense. You will not enjoy trading because most of the things that you see me share in the group here, not be saying you're not going to make money. You go make money, but you not make money like the big boys. That's why you must find a way to increase your capital at home. See, people be asking me question, see, somebody is making a whole $240 in a day. Some people before they will make this accounts daily profit. Some people it might take them even 4 months to make the daily this money that this person is making. This money that this person is making in a day, $240, 270. Some people it will take them 4 months, 5 months, 6 months to make this daily profit this person is making in RoyalQ. So figures are not equal. This person is playing the big league. It's not even small capital to trade. Maybe using as high as $3,000 to trade or more. I think I've explained this thing before. If you are taking 3% of $1,000, what will it give you? 3% of $1,000. 3% of $1,000. That's how much? $30. See what the person now make in a day, $240. So the person must have committed more than, okay, let me even increase that. The person took 5% from a coin. 5% for a coin, and the total money that entered that coin after the first buying amount was $1,000, and it made $50. Are you not seeing that the capital is huge? Are we getting what I'm saying? Let's just increase that. It make 8%, which is very, very rare. It's very, very rare to be placing very high take profit unless the person must be trading with a very huge capital. So the person might be trading with like $7,000 or more to make that kind of money. So when I keep on talking, if you ask more capital, try and refer people in RoyalQ so that I can make more money, get more capital. Because it's only when you have more capital that I can trade generally, not even RoyalQ. Endeavor to find a way to increase your capital. See this account now. This account will never be arguing that I started with RoyalQ with $120 and I've not made my money for my boat back. This person has made the money for his boat back to back. Are you not seeing it? The money used to activate RoyalQ $120. He has made it since, so it's in pure profit. So if you know that you don't have the capacity to raise huge capital, don't be playing with the referral. That's why if you refer 20 people, that's $600. Make referral in RoyalQ part of what you need to do to make more, get more capital to trade to make more money. So let me stop here tonight. Let us ask our questions. It's a good start. $420 is a good start. As a trading capital, is a good start. Without $420, don't trade more than one coin, please. Don't trade more than one coin. You will be using the hyper proprietary setting. Chat me, I'll give it to you when we want to start. It's a good start. Very good. That can be grown. So any question? Any question? So mute your mic if you have any question, please. We'll be continuing on this our training on emotional management and training psychology on Tuesday, and we'll be having our physical seminar by this weekend. I will try and send it to the group. I was not chanced last week and this month. Any question? Please ask a question. Ask a question.
Good evening, sir. Hello, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Yeah, I just want to buttress your point on somebody that has a question on using another exchange to trade when he has a low listing on Bybit. I want to remind you that maybe you should let him know that you need to bind the other exchanges that you needed to use. You can't just use it. You can have it on this, but it needs to be binded to RoyalQ before it can work the way you wanted. I don't know if he's aware of that, sir.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, sir.
Thank you for that input.
Thank you, sir.
In another exchange, you need to bind that exchange with your RoyalQ before the bot can work. So your settings that you have always been using will still be in your RoyalQ. So you can use the trade setting that you are using in your balance on that other exchange, but you need to bind it buying the chain together. So another question?
Yeah, I have a question, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, good evening. Yeah, thank you for the good work. Yeah, there's this coin I entered like a month ago, XEM.
Oh,
It's down
that
very like 60%. Is there any
yes.
hope for that coin?
Another coin. Oh, me, I'm also in that coin with one account like that. That coin.
There was a time it pumped a little, but it went down again.
Yes. I remember that coin. Oh. That coin really did Ojoro. Let me check that coin. Same. That coin is not even on A.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Yes, for
the
four
coin
fifty.
moved. It moved though. It moved to 0.0085. I think it's already shaking body. What's the current price now? The coin has gone down to, I think this coin was entered. I have one account like that. And that account, I know one person that's in this trade, and that person has $100. That person has $100. His money will have gone down by minus 61% now. And that is $100. He has not added to that capital. He's not talking to people to increase his capital. Those kind of people, they will have issue with trading. Because this one is above me now. I analyze very well. But everybody know that this coin will crash more like this. So this coin will need a lot of, because on the daily chart, the coin has moved. The coin is really, really oversold. See, the coin is really, really oversold for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 weeks now. This coin is really, really oversold. So the coin does not have any other reason than for it to go up. See, it's already oversold. So the coin can pump anytime. So I'm back. So the coin is really oversold on the weekly charts. So those kind of coin, just leave it. Anytime that coin can pump, you can wake up one day, you just see that coin pump. And it's the same thing with this coin, hamster. Hamster is also having that same pattern. I can't answer that one today. What do you mean by coin is oversold? The meaning is that it's very simple. The trader that are the BS, the trader that are the ones selling the coin, they don't oversold, they don't sell the coin to almost the limit. This is simple English. They have already sell the coin tired. They will soon get tired. So they have almost sold the coin to the point whereby anytime, which we don't know, I don't know, anytime the buyers can step in. Because when the coin has crashed, it means the sellers don't sell, so they don't oversell them. They won't finish the coin. They don't oversell the coin. So anytime, any day, the buyers can step in to go and be buying, and they will not be pushing the coin up. That's the meaning of oversold. They don't oversell. They don't sell the coin tire. That's what happened to Amstrad. See, Amstrad is going to go down more safe. It's going to retrace back to, still go down to this price. The coin, see, they don't oversell them too much. Kilo day, wetin happen? See where they started selling. See where they started selling that coin. Oh. I have one account that entered this coin from this place. So they don't oversell, they just sell and they sell and they sell and they sell. And you can see around this place, they're already getting tired. Because but the coin is not really having buyers. So it has been sold too much. That's why you see the coin crash all the way from this place here. So it has almost reached the bottom. It don't almost sell and finish. But they must still push and down more. But anytime the buyers can step in. But on the weekly chart is showing us that it's almost at the bottom floor. So it might come up anytime. Yeah. And me, I've already placed my buy order to this place. I would rather say the coin when it gets to this place to make like 50%. Because anytime, any day, any coin where you don't say don't go down, it can go up in a tick of an eye one day. I think I've answered that question. Just be patient with that coin. Are we hearing me? Please type one in the chat if you are hearing me, please. Type one in the chat if you are hearing me. Okay, I think. Is there another question so that we can call it the night? Is there another question? Let's stop recording.